Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes, they know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be discussing the 10 hair care brands that I want to try in 2025. So although I am loving my current hair care regimen, there's a lot of brands that I've been hearing about, I'm interested in. So let's talk about it. But before we get started, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe to the channel. It is a free and easy way for you to not miss out on any of the great videos I make for the channel. Also, if you like the video and hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post the video or when I go live. Okay, so let's get into these brands for hair care that I want to try in 2025. Lord, 2025. I'm gonna be doing that for the whole first week of the new year, messing it up, but you know, 2025. Number 10, Kerastase. I have heard people mention it, once a product here, once a product there, but now the drum banging of this brand is getting a little bit louder in my algorithm, and I'm curious, is it just expensive or is it actually good? Because those are two different things and I want to know. So on my list, and I'm curious about it. Orb, I've been seeing some really cute products from them on the Sephora website, and I never really researched into it or heard a lot of people talk about them, but I'm definitely intrigued and I want to know more. Next we have Bread, which has like a scented hair oil, almost like a fragrance kind of thing. And although I do have the Sacred hair oil, I mostly use that oil in that scent kind of profile, but I'm interested in, like, if I use Sacred shampoo but I use like a different oil fragrance, like, will it intensify it, will it add layers to the fragrance? Like, I'm very interested in kind of perusing that. So the Bread hair oil I've seen a lot of people talk about, so I'm excited into that. Crown Affair, I was just looking for like curly hair products on Sephora for the hair section, and I've never seen this brand before. The packaging is all black and white, it looks super cute, and they have a leave-in treatment, which I'm like, love leave-ins, so might have to check that out. Next we have Baraggio. I've tried multiple samples from them and I love their like scalp scrub charcoal product. Every time there's samples of that, I always get it, but I never buy the full size. And people have so many good things to say about their product. Like, I don't really feel like I've seen anybody say anything bad about them. So I'm like, maybe that means I need to check them out and see what's going on. So that was number 7. Number 5, Amika. I literally have a deluxe sample set of Amika in my house right now that I've just never used, and I need to use it. Everybody has that Amika dry shampoo, the little spritz spray I see a lot of people with, so I'm very curious to see if people really like it, because it's good. How is it going to work on relaxed hair / multi-texture hair when my roots grow out? So I'm very interested in it, but I also feel like it might be like a little, it went viral, but is it really good? I don't know. Thinking about it. Number 4, Color Wow. Color Wow has been going viral for keeping people's silk presses waterproof. Not that I need my hair to be waterproof, but it could be. That'd be nice. So I'm interested in perhaps seeing if that works, if you just use it for like a blow dryer treatment before flat ironing your hair. Like, does it have to be the heat of a silk press? Because I don't flat iron my hair at that high of a temperature, because I do have a relaxer, but I'm just curious if it will help to keep my leave outing in a better way than the products I currently use. So interested in that. Number 3 is Fenty hair, but I'm like, I don't know. I feel like I have not seen any reviews from people with relaxed hair with Fenty hair, and I haven't seen like finality of reviews. It's been a lot of, I just bought it for the first time, it was cool when I used it one time. Whereas compared to other brands like Sacred and Pattern, it's like, I used it, here's what I think I like it group, it's just okay group, and I don't like it group. I feel like I haven't even seen enough videos on Fenty hair to be able to make those 3 buckets. So I do need to do more research because it has been out for a while. But Fenty hair is definitely on my list, except for that edge control. Everybody, the edge control does not work on black people hair, so I will skip that. Way, you guys love the smell of their products, so I'm not sure if I think it's going to actually give me the hair care that I need, but I would love to have my hair smelling good. As you know, I'm like fragrancy, all the things, so that would be really cute to try out and see how it works. I also know they have like some skincare stuff, might get into that, but interested in the hair stuff mainly. And then number 1 is K18. There have been so many people on social media who've tried other hair product brands, and either it messed up their hair or it didn't help their hair and it just wasn't giving what they needed, and they switched to K18 and they're like, I'll never use anything besides K18 ever again. I see a lot of stylists are starting to use K18 who style African American hair, so I am wondering about K18. I do know it's expensive, but if it's worth it, then it might be worth it. So I have to do more research, but I'm really intrigued about K18. K18 is another one where I've noticed that people who have chemically treated hair, damaged hair, who manipulate their hair a lot, they put the K18 in and it's like brand new hair. So that is very interesting to me, and I want to know more. So those are the 10 hair care companies that I want to try in 2025. If there are any brands that you have looked into, have your eye on, are excited about, drop down in the comment section below and share them so that way we can check them out too. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.